perfecting, I be perfecting, perfecting, we be perfecting, perfecting, I be perfecting, perfecting, we be perfecting, love. So we just hold there, I go to scam you. Bitch and Judas, with the media, I go betray you. My heart is broken, that Gani and Milan.
I don't know.
I want to share our family.
A whole farm. Stand up on moon so that one day. Why is you?
I saw me one down.
Yeah, perfecting, I be perfecting, perfecting, we be perfecting, perfecting, I be perfecting, perfecting, we be perfecting, love. So we just hold there, I go to scam you. Bitch and Judas, with the media, I go betray you. My heart is broken, that Gani and
Milan. Yeah, I have to.
Perfect things with a perfect life.
Sorry. This is dance. Oh, I just passed by your house. Just ran like 5 minutes or 3 years ago. Yes, I should send me money.
Go away. What's it there?
Send me one down.
What Danny? Which Lima?
Menu.
One wine and you.
And you.
When they make Wabna.
No wine.
I never could pen no here the last time.
No, I'll occupy on my catch or some never for fresh. I want to know.
That's also your way, say my food.
In the band is saying I'm to me.
Any only Bema for being and you my correction in Chile.
Massa, we need Bema for phobia, I mean, no one and you.
As a man, I can't say.
No, but send me candy. Baby, Papa catch you a minute.
Maybe we can't show. We know what about who overcome so the minium. And then yummy, why? And yummy milk up.
No, no wine and you, and yummy no one and you, my wine, I'm in it.
Sasa Mukade Jaika.
Must have a baby, Papa catch you. It's who chap I'm so called.
No person made I may call.
Oh, my pass and Papa can't you. Oh, call. Oh, you call her that tomorrow and say, was a small car.
Hey, girls. What's up for that? What's up? I started. But you know, say this girl. I don't know anything about her. She's my bestie. Bestie, baby. What's it okay? I'm talking about bestie. We need to check one thing. Yeah, Bema. I don't want to find fun. I'm not. They're going to give me bestie. What am I trying to say? Boy, there it is. I'm kind of going to get my down. Yeah, Bema. Could also be big team. Well, find it. They be nice. They find a show one side. If the team, Rachel, you could have both seen a quality to punish. To punish one because I get a big print. Nothing on because I'm the best team. Your friend again. This time I'm motors. Come on, motors. I want to tell my sister. Boy, again, if you see me, I can't get no doubt. We move speed and action just what you also need to do. Confirm me what you need to again.
You, me, I will think about it.
Thinking, baby, bro. Make we go. Think about it. No, when you're not the job, bro. Confirm me name and can do it.
Yeah, perfecting, I be perfecting, perfecting, we be perfecting, perfecting, I be perfecting, perfecting, we be perfecting, love. So we just hold there, I go to scam you, bitch and Judas. What do you mean?
I think girls can come or no come.
Long time, you can't do inside.
I beg call and give me.
Yo, P! Charlie, come here.
Why you come that other way, no halami?
I think they do 1 or 2 things.
I'll make you send this gift some climbing. Open and see.
Will be plenty.
Everything they inside. This one I want make you go give them to new clients. But this one they give you hardcore warning. If this thing flop, I swear we all flop because this be our big business where they can do. You understand me? As you they go, make sure say everything make okay. We they expect like 50,000 for this.
Okay, I'm ready. Then I'll sit outside here and wait for you, okay? Okay, bye. This boy. I hope you won't keep me waiting. Trade me just around this year. Hey, bro. Yeah, hello. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I'm fine. You? Okay. So now, what's going on? How's life? How things moving on with you? Oh, forget about that. It has already happened, so you have to forget about it. Because you have nothing to do again. No matter what, you're not going to get the money. See, don't spoil my mood today, okay? Don't spoil my mood for me. I said it's okay, it's my money. My money was even more than yours. Yes, mine was even more than yours. So you just forget it's okay.
You understand me? Even as you they go where you get some parties where you feel higher where they go do setups, check everything, see everything make okay before you go deliver the thing. I do am give us. So we no go get any mistake. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. So man, Charlie, if I talk your party something, because I know want things to flop here.
Yeah. You know my vibes already, bro. Yeah. You know, the last time I showed you that when you are about to deliver goods, you have to make sure that where you guys are going to meet is very, very safe. Is that clear? Yeah. You have to call the client, and ask of the location and make sure that there is very safe. And when you deliver the goods, make sure you get the money first before you deliver the goods. And I don't need my money in transfer.
Cash.
And cash. And to the money, I hate that if the money is supposed to give you 50,000 and he give you maybe 90% of the money, or I hate that.
Full payment, straight up.
You understand? I need the money intact, nothing more, nothing less. Exactly. And make sure you are not caught.
Okay, bro. Bye. I love you, sweetheart. Bye-bye. Hey, babe.
What happened, babe?
Hey, why?
Me and someone.
You.
Me china sia ma catch you be say babe. What's your friend say babe? Huh?
No, I'm talking to
Hey!
my brother.
Make kasa na okasa.
I said I was talking to my brother. I'm not talking with any man.
Ah, what frame me name boys in nam. What frame say wa besi mechi. Minim say on kwan me kwan me dia no. Ba frame me dirmika na yede aba me ti atopra. My mommy boof.
Oh, come on, I thought I was talking to my
Hey, I'm talking, you are talking. Go back. I don't want to see you again.
That, please.
I don't want to see you again.
You can
Go.
just take my phone and look at the contact. Please, Jerry, come back.
Hey, don't follow me.
Oh, please.
Go.
Please.
Go.
Oh, baby, please. Come on, baby. I won't go anywhere. I'll be here. No, baby, open the door. Please, I'm sorry, please. I said I was talking to my brother. I'm not talking to any man.
Be very, very careful. Is that clear? Yeah. Alright.
You man, all eyes on you. Charlie, the way this business they beam in there. If you don't know and this Charlie, I swear you then me self, I don't know what in the relationship could be. I swear, because this one, how I invest for this one, if you flop, I flop. Like this be your biggest business way they can do. I mean they feel me. They feel me. Charlie, if I look sharp. Right. Like make you no check. Make you no check.
Alright. Rush.
Change your way.
Look sharp.
Yes. But Charlie, this guy. I the feel.
For not the fear.
You should say if you do this.
If you do, I'm telling you, trust me.
This be big money.
Yeah, I know that.
50,000.
I know that, bro. Trust me.
Like I say, I the film see like I for do am by myself. Or...
Charlie, you for sure that.
No, I won't go anywhere. I'll still sit here and wait for you. Even if you come out at midnight, I'll still stay here and wait for you.
Perfecting, I'll be perfecting. Perfecting, we be perfecting. Perfecting, I'll be perfecting. Perfecting, we be perfecting. Love, so we just hold there, I go to scam you. Me change Judas, who the media I go betray you. My heart is broken, dada. Gani and me lamb caution, dada. Me need kappa, now so many friends me don't dada. Perfect things with a perfect life. My battle so I lose so fly. This is what we do for life. This is what we do for life. I'm a scammer. Let me win so my son you be you. Me pabro, Buruki hana me chito dabro.
Why, what's wrong with you?
I don't know. I'm not feeling well.
You're not feeling well. Since when?
Since last week.
And I don't know about it. Have you gone to the hospital?
Not yet.
Why? Hey, tell me something. What's wrong with you? You don't look happy too. Why?
Since last week, I've not had my menses.
Hello? Hey. Good afternoon. Oh, I'm fine. What about you? Okay. No, I'm home. Okay. Please, what time?
Denying of it.
He would definitely deny it. This child that you are carrying, are you sure it's for my bro?
Okay. I'll call you when I'm coming now. Okay. Bye.
Yeah.
Just last 2 months, you got pregnant by my brother. Wow. Okay, for my small advice, I just want to tell you. You see, very soon, it's left to some 2 months. He'll be leaving this country. And you're aware of that. Please don't tell me that you don't know. I've already told you. And I don't think our parents, I and my bro parents, won't accept this child. Even when they find out, they are going to get angry. And this can cause my brother to stop going to the US. So we have to abort it. I'm going to talk to my bro, and the final decision is that you are not going to carry that child. You abort it. You can't have a baby for us, please.
It is very dangerous.
Shira, I've known so many girls who have done this and they survive. So you're going to survive, okay? Sure. Just smile for me. Smile.
This is very dangerous.
It seems you are getting very hot. Okay, let me get inside so that I can finish.
Yeah, perfecting. I'll be perfecting. Perfecting. We be perfecting. Perfecting. I'll be perfecting. Perfecting. We be perfecting. Love. So we just hold there, I go to scam you. Bitch and Judas.
Hello, baby.
Hey, baby, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm good, you?
Oh, I'm also good. It's been a while.
Yes, and I've missed you already.
Ah, that's just sweet of you.
Thank you.
I don't know where you now.
I'm in the house.
Doing...
Nothing.
Oh, okay.
You mean right now?
Yeah, at the same location.
Oh, okay, where you told me about the other time, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was going to buy something, so let me change myself and get back to you, okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Then I'm waiting.
Okay, see you there. Love you.
Love you so.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, perfect things. I be perfecting. Perfect things. We be perfecting. Perfecting. I be perfecting. Perfect things. We be perfecting. Love. So we just hold here, I go to scam you. Bitch and Judas. With the media, I go betray you. My heart is broken, dada. Gani and me I'm caution, dada. Me need kappa. Now so many friends me done, dada.
My children over 2.5, almost 2 goals. Almost 2 goals. Almost no. First 10 minutes of money, I said back no car 12. Now, pepper,
I don't need the man you boy. I'm need to fall under if you don't born or last. Man, you. Say if you want to. Say bet to be trap bet party. Man, you move him.
Actually, now this party is taking up better become something else. So actually,
I'm not sure Chelsea match.
Sure. You let me show you my bet is training everything. You see, over 2.5 for my minute.
Bet party.
Let me even see if I can take some. But I think there are some matches today. Chelsea and Damascus.
Mr. Crowd, one make some call you. We are not getting it. Tell make her take your phone, do some call. I don't call the baby girl.
You have banned on your phone?
Yeah, I have money.
Let me. I'm taking bets. Match day. Chelsea.
So we just hold here, I go to scam you. Bitch and Judas. With the media, I go betray you. My heart is broken, dada. Gani and me I'm caution, dada. Me need kappa. Now so many friends me done, dada. Perfect things with a perfect life.
Oh, then watch it. Like now, hey, Vic. Usu. How do you know Usu? Huh? Vic. How do you know? And then I see Usu. Oh, I said. Like we are coming here at 19 years yourself.
Fredo, please come and check something for me.
I can't. Okay, what do you mean? We show you. You get some bonus Biana.
I don't want to believe what I'm just seeing. Just interpret this message for me.
Just a message. Leave out.
Just a message.
What? I don't see anything. Make a give. You don't be anything. Just a message.
Like, can you tell me the meaning of that? I don't want to believe what I'm thinking. Can you tell me the meaning of that?
Maybe some mistake be no be anything. Relax, make it go fit.
You are telling me I just saw my name. Money received from Frimpong 5,000.
5. I mean, you see me. I got 5,000.
The same message is here at the same time. Doesn't mean you are the one behind all these fraudulent things. Ha!
Fraud. Me
Fredo, your own friend.
Huh?
Huh? Grab one. Ah, I never saw you. Ubi abua kamus ubi abona na how bet me so kasi ubi abona mu se say na are ah baby ubi abua so bi mo ah no bi abua na me tell me so question on fi are readiness e kasa readiness
My boyfriend is your nature.
ah baby o boy tina wo tie su boy so no ojan tina wo tie usu no boy so no ojan ya tina so betina na usu di ya isara ada no
I know you remember no me nyako. Me never man friend. So I was trying to talk to my brother. You know how I and my brother behave?
How?
When we were done talking, as usual, greetings. I love you, sweetheart. Then my brother also replied. So my boyfriend heard me and he thought I was talking with another guy. He started thinking I'm cheating on him.
Oh, Prosper, Sean, calm down. I'm not going to do this to you now. You be my party, eh?
No wonder. Is this so deep on the guy? Something. Very true. So I be
me.
You. Yes, you.
Make it talk.
No, make we talk what? Master make a cast up. Don't make you talk. No can what bro imagine 5 times. Okay, make we talk. Master, make us talk. There's one thing I need from you. Master, is either you give me back my money or I send it to court. That's all.
Court, me court. Prosper.
Choose one.
Me or you now. Tell it.
But I saw the message on your phone.
Calm down.
Who to calm down?
Listen. No be.
I want no
mistake.
Just what's that in team inside me 5,000 pounds. You
5,000.
You know how I suffered to get this money. You are just trying. Master, don't even say that to me. Ah, okay. So doesn't mean they know I saw some amount of money which pulled out from your pocket. So many it was my money. Your money.
Listen. But I told you that I was sent by somebody.
I won't listen to anything. There's still one thing that I have. Either you give me back my money or I send it to court. That's all. Relax. What? Last 3 days. 3 days. 3 days. That's all.
Prosper. Oh, don't make you talk, eh? Prosper.
Hey, I don't hear this from you again.
Don't make you talk. Me and you. Why you give me? I don't follow cry the man.
How would I T. So when your boyfriend yeah, like in cause of what better na be soon no be and that also was say put you be mu say what is so say sana I say nye on start and I know BBC say and am if you on from Casasians. Huh?
How?
Say go from
Everything started because of you.
Ah,
you were the one who told me to talk to him the last time.
Oh no, that. I know the fansa. Me and I'm saying no nkasa. Ba man kasa o man looking hot. So ti me am say no nkasa. Ba man say on kona on ko do ko ye no. Ah, nti me dey think kasa me na ma na.
When I was dating, I was in a good mood.
Oh no, come on.
Now look at me. Look at.
T. Ochina. Oh, ochina. Me am ko eno boy na ide akudi mo ko amount. Okay, me am call you for ochina. So
why don't you go now?
Oh,
you know, I love him so much. I don't want to lose him.
You so done pan. Bye.
I can't even live without him.
Oh, come on. And then, because I said my eyes are busy 2 days. So I'm watching up. First time I am. You know,
no, get up and let's go now, please.
Me, I'm still me, I'm saying,
I love him.
You so done. Me, I'm saying, you pass out the me, I'm saying, I mean, if you are. Huh? What's it?
It is busy though. We are part of much. Okay, we're 3 years. You're not some trip trying keep 5,000 pet.
Yeah, perfecting. I'll be perfecting. Perfecting, we be perfecting, perfecting, I be perfecting, perfecting, we be perfecting, love. So we just hold there, I go to scam you, bitch and Judas. Who the media grow, I go betray you. My heart is broken, dada. Gani and me lamb caution, dada. Me need kappa, now so many friends me don't dada. Perfect things with a perfect life. My bar to so I lose so fly. This is what we do for life. This is what we do for life. I'm a scammer. Let me win so my son you be the show. Me pagro, me pabro. Buruki hana me chicho dabro.
How's your night?
When I was born.
Why?
You hung up the phone.
Oh, sorry.
When you had to learn around.
That's why I said I'm sorry. I think I feel mistake.
That's not the problem. So when are we hanging out?
I think we have to visit them on this coming weekend.
I should baby and get to come there and tell me cry.
Hey, you said the for you come back and
I flew a sash mom. Oh, you did.
Ah, menu.
Then on I'm up to cook.
What's a me back? Code, hello, Sims. Hey, now.
Perfecting, I'll be perfecting, perfecting, we be perfecting, perfecting, I'll be perfecting, perfecting, we be perfecting, love. So we just hold there, I go to scam you, me change Judas, with the media grow, I go betray you. My heart is broken, dada, Gani and me lamb caution, dada. Me need kappa, now so many friends me don't dada. Perfect things with a perfect life. My back is so ugly, so fly. This is what we do.
Felix.
Hi.
Come on. How are you?
I'm also good.
Hey, I've been a while.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Is that your?
Yeah, that's my friend. Oh, guy, you see me jump.
Oh, okay.
No money, some seats.
This weekend.
Yes, baby.
This weekend.
Baby, please. It's getting to Christmas and you see, I need to go for shopping.
Okay. Let's make it this Saturday.
Okay.
Hope there is no problem.
Sure, there is no problem.
But first, I want you to promise me one thing, baby.
Promise you something. And what's that?
That you will never leave me.
Okay, fine. I'm not gonna leave you.
Are you sure?
I promise.
That's why I love you, baby.
Love you too.
I think I have to come closer now. Such a nice girl, babe. I really like your hair. I think I have the chance to.
Tara! Jordan!
Now, I didn't cross me and our end.
Mama, you slapped me.
And I remember saying that the crossing and our end.
In crossing here.
And then I'll call Sims for Madame for guide. And then I'll call if you contain the warning.
Sims.
Now, won't call if you honor
me.
Who call and just I come and pass a sound cross dating saying a mempen. Oh, Bashamiso. Now, who shall swear that day? Who shall swear that bear Bashamiso? And cross the Subana for Dana this hour. And Mammy who said, "Be cried and if you know have if you know come in way, me no way, whom you chum and from your man, brother, whom you chum in way we made the two number and frame you. What a son of a catcher.
Ama,
I mean, Mr. Minway, I don't know be a diana. A bank and so with Mr. Minway.
You left me. You slapped me. For reason? Because of some guy, Sims. No, like a stupidity. How can Amma do this to me?
Why you? Hey! See dressing. Hey, you! My best friend in the world. No. Hey! So, like, you nah. When you talk, you say you not get boyfriend. So, like, all this nyagabus and sakadus conclusions. Who you want carry give?
Oh yeah, it's true. I don't have any boyfriend.
Hey! But now Baba dear fair. So hey, you see. I don't know. You be having way carry you come. Why?
I don't know. It seems like something just falling into my eyes.
What's wrong? No? Listen.
Sims!
I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised.
Ah boy, my car actually I call him interest no. My car actually me interest no. See I bet now for like 3 hours 4 hours me see wine. See wine.
Charlie, relax, bro.
Me relax listen. Abraham is can na point. Why should I relax? See I'm going wine. We need now see me relax. I already tell you say I don't trust this guy. We should do this by ourselves. I will say yes man is see us can wine. You see I will say yes I hit 12.
Stop shouting, bro.
What's me can't chance me stop shouting, bro. Now why we am bad, Charlie, me and you pano. Charlie, things won't be good for us. I swear I'm telling you the fact.
Oh my god.
Hey, bro. Lumi.
Baby,
Bro.
baby, please don't.
Hey.
Please wake up.
Bro.
Baby.
Lumi.
Lumi, please get up.
Lumi.
Baby, please wake up.
Why you baby
please,
me?
leave me alone. He's my baby, don't you know? He's the guy I told you about. Baby, please. Baby, baby. Baby, please don't do this, baby. Baby, baby, please get up. Baby, get up. Won't you help me send him to the hospital? Baby, please. Baby, please wake up. Baby, please.
Hey, Lumi.
Baby,
Bro.
please, baby.
Go wake up, bro. Say it, Jai. That's how Obama should. Ha! Christ, I've lost that man for life. Amma. I have to go. Like, I can't take.
I can't stay.
Hey, please wait.
Saw you paint a picture of a face. A face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you've stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same.